Welcome to Healthism, where we uncover crucial health insights to empower your choices. Today, we're shedding light on a topic often overlooked: the potential risks lurking in broiler chicken livers. But before we delve into this eye opening discussion, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks to our viewers. Your support fuels our mission. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to Healthism. Your subscription means everything to us. Now, let's talk about broiler chicken livers. These small organs often find their way into our meals, but do we truly understand the hazards they might carry? Today, we'll explore the hidden dangers and discuss alternatives to safeguard your health. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth about broiler chicken livers. Broiler chicken liver is consumed in various countries around the world, often as a part of the diet due to its taste and nutritional content. Some of the countries where broiler chicken liver is commonly used in culinary practices include United States. Chicken liver is consumed in the United States, used in various dishes like pâtés, stir-fries, and curries. United Kingdom. Chicken liver is a popular ingredient in British cuisine, particularly in dishes like pâtés, liver and onions, and traditional English breakfasts. France. Chicken liver is a key component of dishes like foie gras, pâtés, and various French delicacies. China. Chicken liver is used in Chinese cuisine, often stir-fried or cooked in soups and stews. India. Chicken liver is included in Indian cuisine, utilized in curries, kebabs, and various regional dishes. The liver of broiler chickens can pose health risks due to various factors associated with their rearing and diet. Here are some key points regarding the potential dangers of consuming broiler chicken liver. Toxic accumulation. Broiler chickens are often raised in intensive farming conditions, where they may be exposed to various toxins and contaminants present in their feed, water, or environment. These toxins can accumulate in the liver over time, making it a potential reservoir for harmful substances. Antibiotic residues. Continuous use of antibiotics in poultry farming, including broiler chickens, can lead to the accumulation of antibiotic residues in various organs, including the liver. Consumption of such liver with antibiotic residues can contribute to antibiotic resistance in humans or cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Hormones and growth promoters. Some broiler chicken farms use growth hormones or promoters to accelerate the growth of the chickens. These substances might affect the liver's health and could potentially pose risks to consumers when ingested. Nutritional imbalance. Broiler chickens raised in intensive farming systems might have altered nutritional profiles. The liver, being a vital organ for processing nutrients and detoxification, might reflect these imbalances, potentially impacting its overall health benefits when consumed. Environmental contaminants. Broiler chickens may be exposed to environmental contaminants like heavy metals, pesticides, or pollutants. These contaminants can accumulate in the liver and pose health risks to individuals consuming the liver meat. Healthier liver alternatives. Opting for organically raised or pasture-raised chicken livers might be a safer choice. These chickens are typically raised in better conditions, have access to natural feed, and are exposed to fewer harmful substances, potentially reducing the risks associated with liver consumption. Regulatory measures. Regulatory bodies often set standards and guidelines for acceptable levels of contaminants, or residues in poultry products, including the liver. Adhering to these standards and buying products from reputable sources can minimize the risks associated with consuming broiler chicken liver. Consumers concerned about the potential health risks associated with broiler chicken liver should consider seeking advice from health professionals, making informed choices, and opting for higher quality and safer alternatives to minimize potential hazards. It's important to note that properly cooking chicken liver to the recommended internal temperature, 165 or 74 degrees Celsius, can significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illness and kill harmful bacteria or parasites that might be present. Additionally, choosing high-quality, well-handled poultry products from reputable sources can minimize the likelihood of encountering contaminated chicken liver. Thank you for joining us as we explored the risks associated with broiler chicken liver consumption. Remember, making informed choices about the food we eat is essential for our well-being. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. Until next time, From all of us at Healthism, take care.